Hey guys, what's up? It's Austin back, and y'all remember I did a part 1 on this. Hold on, let me clean the camera up. Oh yeah, I did a part 1 of this truck, and well, I reckon I'm gonna do a part 2. Unlock it. I ain't been here in a while, and just locked it up. Well, y'all can see I've been trying to run the radio wires and all that, but let's see. Well, been working on this a little bit. I don't know where I left off in the other video, to tell y'all the truth. I don't remember where I left off in the video, the last one, or that's where I'd start, but y'all, excuse me, this dip don't want to settle. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I ain't done nothing to it since probably the last video, except run the cables for the speakers in the door. Got them installed. It's a little hot out here today, so those shorts on. Well, I did do that, but yeah, I got that decal and put it on there. I gotta clean the back of my truck out again. But I ain't been long got back. I ain't been here probably 3 or 4 hours. Been half asleep for the last half of it. Well, I'm gonna put this on here, and we're gonna put this on here on the toolbox when I get it. I'm just waiting to get the money out right now. It's the only thing that's holding me back from the toolbox. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I didn't ever show y'all under the hood last video, so oh crap, maybe it's popped. But yeah, I'm gonna crank it up in a later video, let y'all hear it. Gonna be dark for a minute. Oh, there we go. Oh. Yeah, it's I think it's a 2.3. I think that's what I said. Y'all, it's been a while since I posted that video. I can't remember directly what happened. Sorry, somebody texted me. But yeah, it's automatic. Everything runs fine. The air conditioner works. As I said last video, I remember. I ain't got a battery in it. They just got it in the tractor. Just got to replace the. Got to do something about the oil. The oil something ain't right with the oil gauge or something like that. I know I got to drain the oil and put new oil to it. Let me look in here, see if I need to get. Y'all can see it's pretty black. But well, let me show y'all a better view of it. It's pretty black. So I'm gonna might do that this week, might not. Ain't determined whether I want to or not. Just depends how I feel. Whether to do it or not. Let me see if I got a rag in the back of the truck. That ain't good. Darn oil stain. But it's pretty much about it for the motor. Usually everything's pretty much everything's good except that's been replaced. So I didn't have no brakes. Other than that, yeah, well, that's pretty much it on that. And let's see what else. I have the radio installed this week sometime. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. This is probably gonna be it for this video. Y'all, I'm tired. It's been a long weekend. And well, guys, I think it's probably gonna be it for this video. So y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. What else am I forgetting to tell y'all? Well, guys, I reckon that's it for this video. Remember, keep your lip full of dip, your truck muddy, and keep your CB on. Alright, guys, I'm out.